Have you ever felt stuck, like you're caught in a loop, repeating the same actions day in and day out but not really moving forward? It's a frustrating feeling, isn't it? Like you're striving for something more. We all crave growth. We yearn for progress, for that sense of accomplishment that comes from knowing we're evolving, becoming better versions of ourselves. We long to embrace life fully, to experience the highs and the lows, the laughter and the tears. Gratitude is the key. It's the secret ingredient that can transform our lives. It's a simple shift in perspective, but it unlocks incredible power. When we start to focus on what we have, rather than what we lack, our entire outlook changes. Gratitude allows us to see the good, even when things are tough. It helps us to appreciate the moments that might otherwise pass us by unnoticed. It helps us find joy in the everyday, in the small, seemingly insignificant moments that make up the fabric of our lives. It's about appreciating the little things, a warm cup of coffee, the sound of birds singing in the morning, the smile of a stranger, a kind word from a friend, a message that brightens your day. These are the moments that fill our lives with meaning. When we focus on what we have, something amazing happens. We start to see the world in a different light. We open ourselves up to possibilities. We begin to notice opportunities that we might have missed before. We start to see opportunities. We become more open to new experiences, more willing to take risks. Our mindset shifts from scarcity to abundance. We start to see the world as a place full of potential, rather than a place of limitations. This is the heart of gratitude. It's about recognizing the good in our lives and being thankful for it. It's not about ignoring challenges. It's about facing them with a positive attitude, knowing that we have the strength to overcome them. It's about choosing to see the good, to focus on the beauty that surrounds us, even in the midst of difficulties. It's about finding strength in the midst of struggles. It's about knowing that every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Life is full of ups and downs. We all experience moments of joy and moments of sorrow. Sometimes it feels like we're on top of the world, celebrating our achievements and milestones. Other times we face challenges that seem insurmountable, leaving us feeling defeated and overwhelmed. Stress is a natural part of the human experience. It's something we all encounter, whether it's due to work pressures, personal issues, or unexpected life events. Stress can push us to perform better, but it can also take a toll on our mental and physical health if not managed properly. But chronic stress, that's a different story. It can drain us, leaving us feeling exhausted and unable to cope. Chronic stress can affect our sleep, our relationships, and even our overall well-being. It can make us feel like we're stuck in a never-ending cycle of fatigue and frustration. It can hold us back from reaching our full potential. When we're constantly stressed, it's hard to see the light at the end of the tunnel. We may feel trapped, unable to move forward or make progress in our lives. Gratitude offers a powerful antidote. By focusing on the positive aspects of our lives, we can shift our mindset and reduce the impact of stress. Practicing gratitude can be as simple as writing down things we're thankful for, or taking a moment to appreciate the beauty around us. When we focus on what we're grateful for, our brains release feel-good chemicals. These chemicals, such as dopamine and serotonin, help improve our mood and overall sense of well-being. They create a positive feedback loop, making it easier to find more things to be grateful for. These chemicals help combat stress hormones. By reducing the levels of cortisol in our bodies, gratitude helps us feel more relaxed and at ease. It allows us to take a step back and view our challenges from a calmer, more balanced perspective. They calm our nervous system. When we're grateful, our bodies relax, which can help lower blood pressure and improve heart health. Exercising and deep breathing enhance this effect, making us feel more centered and grounded. Think of gratitude as a muscle. Just like any other muscle in our body, it needs regular exercise to grow stronger. The more we practice gratitude, the more natural it becomes, and the greater the benefits we experience. The more we use it, the stronger it gets. By incorporating gratitude into our daily routines, we can build a habit that supports our mental and emotional health. Whether it's through journaling, meditation, or simply expressing thanks to others, regular practice makes a significant difference. Regular gratitude practices build resilience. They help us develop a strong mindset that can withstand life's challenges. When we focus on what we're grateful for, we become more adaptable and better equipped to handle adversity. They help us bounce back from adversity. Gratitude gives us the strength to recover from setbacks and keep moving forward. It reminds us of our inner resources and the support we have from others. Gratitude doesn't erase our problems. It doesn't magically make everything better. But it does change our perspective, allowing us to see our challenges in a new light. But it changes how we relate to them. By shifting our focus to the positive, we can find new ways to approach and solve our problems. Gratitude helps us maintain a positive outlook, even when things are tough. It gives us the strength to keep going. When we practice gratitude, we build inner strength and resilience. We become more determined and capable of pushing through challenges. It helps us find hope, even in the darkest of times. Gratitude illuminates the path forward, showing us that there is always something to be thankful for, no matter how difficult life may seem. Ready to invite more gratitude into your life? Start with simple practices that can transform your mindset and bring more joy into your everyday experiences. These practices are easy to incorporate into your daily routine, no matter how busy you are. They don't require much time, but the benefits can be immense. Begin each day with a gratitude affirmation. This can be as simple as looking in the mirror and saying, "I'm grateful for this new day and the opportunities it brings." As you wake up, take a moment to think of 3 things you're grateful for. It could be the comfort of your bed, the promise of a new day, or the people in your life who support you. It could be your loved ones, your health, or simply the beauty of the sunrise. Acknowledging these things can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Practice gratitude throughout the day. Notice the small moments that bring you joy and take a second to appreciate them. Notice the small things, the taste of your food, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the laughter of a child. These moments are often overlooked, but can bring immense happiness when acknowledged. Take a few moments each evening to reflect. What went well today? What made you smile? What are you grateful for? This reflection can help you end your day on a positive note. Write it down. Keeping a gratitude journal can be a powerful tool. It allows you to look back and see all the good things that have happened, even on tough days. Speaking your gratitude aloud can also be powerful. Share what you're grateful for with friends or family. This not only reinforces your own gratitude but can also inspire others. These simple practices can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. They help you focus on the positive aspects of your life, which can improve your mood and outlook. They help us shift our focus from what's lacking to what's abundant. This shift in perspective can lead to greater happiness and contentment. They remind us of all the good in our lives, helping us to appreciate the present moment and cultivate a sense of peace and fulfillment. Start today, and watch how your life transforms. A gratitude journal is a powerful tool. It's a dedicated space for cultivating gratitude. It helps you track your journey. It allows you to witness your growth. Choose a journal that speaks to you. It could be a simple notebook or a beautifully bound journal. The important thing is that it feels good to use. Every day, take a few moments to write. List 3 to 5 things you're grateful for. Don't overthink it. Write from the heart. Be specific in your entries. Instead of writing "my family," write "the way my partner makes me laugh." Details bring your gratitude to life. Beyond the pen, exploring diverse avenues of gratitude. Gratitude isn't limited to journaling. There are countless ways to express it. Explore different avenues. Find what resonates with you. Express your gratitude directly to others. Tell someone you appreciate them. Write a heartfelt letter. These acts of kindness spread joy. Use your creativity. Create a gratitude jar. Write down things you're grateful for on slips of paper. Read them when you need a boost. Incorporate gratitude into your meditations or prayers. Focus on the feeling of gratitude. Let it wash over you. Remember, gratitude is personal. There's no right or wrong way to express it. Weaving gratitude into life's tapestry. Making it a habit. Gratitude isn't a one-time event. It's about creating a lifestyle. It's about weaving it into the fabric of your days. Connect your gratitude practice to an existing routine. Do it first thing in the morning during your commute or before bed. Start small and be consistent. 5 minutes a day is better than an hour once a week. Consistency is key to building lasting habits. Don't beat yourself up if you miss a day. Life happens. Simply get back on track the next day. Every moment is a fresh start. Small steps, big impact. Consistency is key. The beauty of gratitude is its simplicity. Small, consistent actions can have a ripple effect. They can transform your life. When you make gratitude a habit, you start to see the world differently. You notice the good. You appreciate the small things. You find joy in the everyday. This shift in perspective can impact every area of your life. Your relationships, your work, your overall well-being. Gratitude is a gift you give yourself. It's a practice in self-love. It's a reminder of all the good in your life. Gratitude, your gateway to growth and resilience. Gratitude is more than just a feel-good emotion. It's a catalyst for growth. It's a wellspring of resilience. When we approach life with gratitude, we open ourselves up to new possibilities. We become more receptive to opportunities. We attract more good into our lives. Gratitude helps us navigate challenges with grace. It gives us the strength to keep going when things get tough. It reminds us that even in darkness, there is always light. Embrace gratitude as a daily practice. Make it a part of your journey. You'll be amazed by the transformation. Continue your journey. Unlock deeper gratitude. Ready to delve deeper into the transformative power of gratitude? My e-course and book offer practical tools and insights. The e-course provides a structured approach. It guides you through daily practices. It helps you integrate gratitude into your life. My book explores the science of gratitude. It shares inspiring stories of transformation. It offers a roadmap for living a more grateful life. Gratitude is a journey, not a destination. Join me, and let's explore the boundless possibilities together. The details are in the video description below. Thanks.